Alright, folks, it's time to spread that mud. TFG and Mike from the GeekCast Radio Network. Visit geekcastradio.com for all your podcasting needs from me and my friends. Let's go. Spread that mud, spread that mud, spread that mud.
Are you ready?
No. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm over here falling apart, but that's just me. That's why I've gone to the no commentary stuff, pretty much, because I have to save my voice for podcasting, and there's other things going on in life that just are frustrating. The ulnar nerve stuff on my left arm is frustrating, and the stuff with my right shoulder elbow thing is frustrating, and yeah.
Sup, ladies?
Why is this mud not moving like it should? Come on, mud. Gotta turn that down a little bit. Oh yeah, way down. Way down low. Okay, that didn't spread like I thought it was going to. Damn it.
Holy crap!
There we go.
I have the power! Yeehaw!
Okay, that's the top. Let's get the bottom over here. Stop.
Go, 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 go!
I gotta watch the Snack Attack team's video on the car race thing, because I still don't understand that. What the hell the point of that is. But that's a me thing. Oh shoot, I'm down to moves now.
High five! High five! Sup, ladies? You're amazing, friend. Sup, ladies? You're amazing, friend.
There we go.
Who wants some chicken?
Well, there you go, folks. That's the mud level. Oh, boy. I almost forgot I wasn't using the power-up thingamajigger. Oh, look. Tortillas. We will do that next time, folks. Catch you on the next one. Here we go. We're counting up the popcorn bucket, and we got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We're getting ready for this launch to wherever we're going up here in space. See you next time, folks.